What do Annie Mac, Richie Hawtin, Charlotte DeWitt and Kate Trinada all have in common? Well, they're all using these, the TMA-2s by AIAIAI. But do these headphones live up to the hype? Let's find out. If you've not heard of the TMA-2s by AIAIAI by now, I can promise you will have seen them. These environmentally friendly headphones are popping up on the heads of some of the most famous DJs the world around. On top of that, you can even buy special collaboration editions of these headphones with music labels, music outlets and fashion labels as well getting involved. But what makes these headphones so special? Well, the TMA-2s are a modular system. They're completely unique in that way. So, much like a IKEA wardrobe at home, you can actually order the parts of the headphones that you think will suit you best. So you can order your own headband, speaker unit, pads and cables, and they will be shipped to you almost like a flat pack piece of furniture for you to construct at home. But do these headphones live up to the hype, or are these just another fashion accessory? Let's find out by taking a closer look at the way you build your own pair. There are two main ways of purchasing a set of TMA-2 headphones from AIAIAI. There are presets, which are pre-configured pairs of headphones that are designed around a certain purpose or person. We were sent two presets, the DJ preset and also the HD wireless preset. Now these parts were pre-chosen, we had no configuration. So if you do want to customize your own personal pair of AIAIAI headphones, you need to head to their website and open up the configurator. Now this slick, easy website allows you to pick between the individual parts available to build your perfect pair of headphones. Once you have selected all the parts, you are displayed with the price, weight, and sound characteristic information of your headphones before you can go ahead and purchase all them parts together that will come delivered for you to build yourself at home. Now building the headphones is super easy. There's no tools involved at all. All the cables locked together. It's a really slick and easy process. So don't be worried about having to whip out a toolkit to build your headphones. On the configurator website, you can first of all choose between 5 different speaker units. All of these speaker units have been tuned in a different way and use different materials in their construction to deliver a different sound property. We were given the SO2 as part of the DJ preset. Now this is a super bass heavy sound. It's a titanium 40mm driver, which is great for beat matching, but not much else. You certainly couldn't EQ a track with this headphone cup due to the lack of detail in the mids and the highs. These headphones really are bass heavy and they sound muddy as a consequence. They're not my preferred choice in any means. On the HD wireless preset, we were given an SO5 range topping driver to review. Now this is a more flat sound with great detail in the mids and the highs, but without any consequence to those lows. We really liked the sound of the SO5, but it is a more expensive option. That said, I would always recommend going for either the SO4 or the SO5 drivers when building a pair of AIAIAI headphones. Once the speaker unit has been chosen, next up is the headband. The headbands include 2 small coiled cables that connect the cups together. The cups simply slide onto the headband with no tools required, and then with a 90-degree twist, the cables lock the speaker units into the headband. 2 of the headbands are wireless. This completely converts the TMA-2 into a wireless headset with inbuilt controls on the outside for playback, an inbuilt microphone for taking phone calls, and a battery inside as well. The USB Type-C charging port is cleverly hidden up near the speaker cables, which is great, and the overall weight and appearance isn't changed by adding the Bluetooth connectivity. When it comes to earpads, these clip into the speaker drivers with 4 ball joints. There are 2 main styles to choose from, with on-ears and over-ears. The on-ears keep the size of the headphones down and feel very much like a pair of Sennheiser HD25s. These have been great at isolating external noisy DJ booth sounds, and we really like the PU leather variant, as sweat and drinks that might get spilled are easily wiped off. The over-ears are incredibly comfortable. All the earpads use memory foam in their construction, and the over-ear Alcantaras that we had included on our HD wireless pair were incredibly comfortable, easily making this one of the most comfortable headphones we have ever worn. Finally, there are 13 cables to choose from. All the cables lock into the headphone with a 45-degree twist, which is great for making sure they don't accidentally get pulled out in use, and there are many cable choices and adapters that you can choose from. From coiled cables with 45-degree connectors, ideal for DJ use, all the way through to inline microphones on lightning ports for use with an iPhone. There is truly a cable for everyone, and every single cable we did try was of the utmost quality. We have zero complaints with the cables here. Because of the modular nature of these headphones, AIAI ship each part individually in its own bag made of recycled material. Making sure that the user builds the headphones at home allows the AIAIs to be shipped in a smaller box, which is great for environmentally friendly reasons. On top of that, the entire headphone can be upgraded and replaced and repaired by individual parts with guides on their website on how to perform this. Again, great for the environment. We're really impressed with the build quality of the AIAIs. Early TMA models suffered with a snapping headband, but that has completely been rectified in this new model. All the components of the headphone come with a soft touch matte black finish, which not only looks great but feels superb in the hand too. The only build quality complaints we can have with the TMA-2s by AIAI are sometimes the headphones click when on the headband, although this is only noticeable when carrying the headphone around, not when you're actually wearing it. Also, these cups bleed excessively. Everyone around you will be able to hear what you're listening to. We're not quite sure why this is. It's certainly not to do with the pads, because it happens with either the over-ear or the on-ear pads. It comes out the back of the speaker units, and again, it happened on all the speaker units we tried. It's not a major criticism, and when used for DJ purposes, you probably won't notice it. However, it's worth bearing in mind should you be on public transport wearing these headphones. So there we have it, the TMA-2s by AIAI. Now, there's a lot going for these headphones. There really is. The modular system means you can build your own perfect pair of headphones out of the parts available that they offer, and I would heavily recommend you do that. The presets are great for saving time and, just clicking purchase and getting all of it in one big go. But the DJ preset, as we've got here, it really suffers with the SO2 speaker unit. Seriously, do yourselves a favor, go onto the configurator, order the SO5 speaker units. They sound night and day over the SO2s that are included here. That aside, these are an environmentally friendly, very good looking, durable, robust set of headphones, and I can see why more and more DJs are gravitating towards this pair. So there's our thoughts on the TMA-2s. They are a bit more than just a fashion accessory. They can be, with the right speaker drivers, a great sounding and a very durable pair of headphones too. Let us know your thoughts about the TMA-2 system. Have you got a set? Which preset did you go for, or did you build your own? Let us know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. It helps us out greatly. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already, and hit that bell icon. We've got loads of headphone reviews coming up in the future for you. Thanks a lot for sticking around, and take care. We'll see you in another video sometime soon.